how to get timer in Block Blast. So some versions of Block Blast, if you go into classic mode, have timed blocks, which basically means that you have a set amount of time that you can place every block, and in order to get some extra score. Now, if you want to get timed blocks, what you can do is go into the App Store here. So I'm just going to go into the Apple App Store, and you just want to search for Block Blast. We want to make sure that we have the most up-to-date version of the game. So just open up Block Blast. If it says update here, you will click on update instead of open, and then that should give you timed blocks. However, there are many differences between the Android version and the iOS version, so timed blocks may not be available to you. You just have to check it out, update the game, and see if you get any timed blocks here in Block Blast. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.